right, great. So good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. I'm Kyle from ImageXpert over on the East Coast of the United States. And we wanted to thank IMI for the chance to do a quick presentation about our, some of the products that we offer and our services. And so we'll get right into it. So ImageXpert has been around for about 25 years in the inkjet space, and we provide what we call turnkey solutions for inkjet development. So this includes drop watchers, sample printers, drive electronics, ink supplies, and print quality inspection systems. We take all of these different components from different suppliers, put them together into one system that's kind of built for inkjet R&D, and then provide the training and support on it and kind of help hold your hand through the entire process of inkjet R&D. What we're best known for is the JetXpert drop watcher, which you can see here. We've got about 400 companies worldwide that are using these systems, whether you're making ink, making print heads, making printers. There's a good chance that one of these is in your lab. So what these are used for primarily is for measuring drop volume, velocity, trajectory, and other aspects of the drops in flight, and then doing optimization on your system. So as you make changes to the ink, as you make changes to the waveform, or as you switch between different print heads, you can really see the impact of all of these things on your jetting. From there, we developed the print station, which combines drop watching and sample printing in one easy-to-use machine. So with any print head, any drive electronics on the market, you can now quickly and easily test your inkjet process. To give you a sense of what you can expect from the drop watcher, so here's a video that we captured. Oops, sorry about that. Here's a video that we captured. So we're able to get really clean images of the drops in flight. You can study meniscus activity, satellites, ligaments, wettings, all of these different things. And really get a better understanding of what's going on behind the scenes in the inkjet process. You can also, here's a view from a Dymatics print head. So you can also measure drop volume, velocity, and capture these analytics over time. So as you make changes to your waveform or your ink formulation, or if you're trying to explore a new application and trying to get a better understanding of what sort of velocity you need, for example, to do well in that application, this can come in handy for that as well. For those of you who are familiar with our company, we actually have a new product that we just released a couple of months ago, and we're calling this the Inline Jet Expert. So it's the first of its kind in that there's no restrictions for the size of the print head assembly that you can analyze. Most drop watchers, you're limited to one print head. This you can put inside a printer if you want. It's got unlimited amount of space. As you can see, it's still got the high image quality that you would expect from one of our systems. Can perform all the analysis and everything of the other JetXpert, but it's a new design. So inside a printer, or if you're trying to print with 4 different colors and a bunch of different heads, this is, to our knowledge, the only system in the world that can do something like that. So we're excited to release that, and we've got maybe 10 of those in the field already. So that's our new product as of the last couple months. One of the big benefits of our system is how modular it is. So you can very easily test 10 different print heads on one printer. So as your products change, as your needs change, you can assemble, disassemble, and reassemble the system to kind of make it fit your current needs. I mentioned this before, but this system works with any print head, any dispenser, any thermal, piezo, whatever on the market. Also works with any drive electronics. So whether it's GIS, Meteor, DTS, AWA, or even your own, one system will work with anything. We can provide all of that equipment as one package if you'd like. We have a lot of knowledge of all these different systems on the market and can integrate it all together. So all you have to do is open the box and you're ready to go with Inkjet. Or you can integrate your own components. It's completely up to you. We have customers that do both. So the print station that we mentioned, how that works is you've got a position on the left with the drop watcher. And as you can see, we have the print head, drive electronics, and ink supply. And after you're done with your analysis of the drop watcher, you can easily shift that entire assembly over to the printing side. So you've got one system here that can do drop watching and sample printing and really tie all of that information together very, very quickly, rather than having a separate printer where you have to worry about moving the ink over or translating your settings from the drop watching system to the printing system. We've got everything in one place here. And so this is one of our most popular systems over the last couple of years. In addition to the printing, we also have print quality analysis. So a lot of the most advanced inkjet developers are doing things like studying the placement of the dots on the print to compare different substrates, comparing pre-treatments, throw distances, all of these things. The most advanced developers in the world are getting down to that level of detail. And again, one system can do everything for any print head. Something else that I wanted to mention really quickly is on our website, we've got jetexpert.com/blog. We've got about 2 or 3 years worth of articles that we've collected that teach you how to do things like optimize waveforms, fix satellites, latency, wetting. We've taken all of our experience from these different customers that we've worked with over the years and tried to make it in an easy to learn, understandable, package for a new inkjet beginner. And so all of that's available for free on our website. That's a little bit about our company. We've got our new product, the Inline Jet Expert, that I showed you about. If you have any questions at all about any of those things, you can send me a chat in Zoom. I'll be sticking around for the rest of the presentations. Or you can reach out to me directly at kyle@imagexpert.com. We do web demonstrations and all of this equipment, so if you're interested in learning more, feel free to reach out.
Okay, thanks very much, Kyle.
Yeah, thank you, Tim.